Cleaning tires and wheels is one of my least favorite things to do as a professional detailer. So I'm always looking for products that are going to work well and work quickly. So today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison versus Shine Supply Wise Guy and Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. Now, most tire and wheel cleaners are going to be dedicated cleaners where you have to buy a specific product for the wheels and a specific product for the tires. And oftentimes you're going to get the best cleaning capabilities when you buy specific dedicated cleaners. However, I prefer to use these two-in-one type products. Now, most on the market that are a combination tire and wheel cleaner, they're not going to be super strong. The wheel cleaners are a little bit on the weak side, and the tire cleaners, you just find them to be lacking. These two, however, you can see do a great job at removing browning from the tires, and they also offer a ton of lubrication to be able to clean safely and effectively. Now, I like to clean tires until I see white foam, and I could have these same results with even a dedicated tire cleaner. These are actually two of the best tire cleaners that I have tested on the market. You can see after blow drying our tires, they have a natural clean appearance. Our wheels are cleaned perfectly. We do have a little bit of black residue left behind on the tires that we probably could have gone another round, but a lot of that is just that my brush didn't come in contact with those areas well enough. So side-by-side comparison of these products, they both clean pretty identically. I'm not seeing any significant difference from one side of the tire to the next. Our wheels are nice and clean. For maintenance product, for tires and wheels, both are perfect for what most customers are looking for. You can see when it came to cleaning the tires, both removed the browning pretty evenly, although by sight it did look like this was a little bit of a thicker pattern. This ran off more. So you might go through more product here, kind of getting the cling, but you're gonna actually be able to use more of the product because it will cling versus kind of running off. But at the end of the day, it may come down to price. We have about $25 for a gallon here, about $38 for a gallon here. Both are cut at a 1-to-1 dilution ratio, so you can't go wrong with either one of these products, in my opinion. Personally, I do prefer the Wise Guy just because I feel like it clings a little bit more. When it comes to cleaning tires, I want a product that's gonna cling a little bit. So for my personal preference, I lean more towards Wise Guy. But again, Meguiars, they make solid products with either one, but it really comes down, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Which one would be your favorite in this scenario? A lot of times you don't necessarily need a dedicated wheel cleaner or tire cleaner. So for those that are looking for value and performance, these are two products that I highly recommend.